How to verify a Namecheap domain for Google Workspace. So what you're going to have to do is simply sign into the Google Admin Console of your Google Workspace account. And then what you're going to have to do is simply click on Verify Domain. Then simply click on Next, and then simply click the Verify option. Now here, simply click on Continue, and then you're going to have to copy this code here, and then you're going to have to go to your Namecheap account, then go to domain list, manage, and then click on advanced DNS, and then go to host records, and then simply click on add new record, then select text record to set it up. And then you're going to have to simply paste the code that we just copied, and then simply click on save changes. And then after that, what you're going to have to do is simply wait a few minutes and then go back and click on verify my domain, and basically that should be it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.